topic of my talk today is one seems widely avoided in public communications by contemporary Thelemites, although it is one that looms hugely in the writings of Aleister Crowley throughout his career as a magician. If we read the confessions of our past patriarch Baphomet, it is a recurring and unavoidable fact that he takes as given the reality of the secret chiefs and their involvement in his life. Although Crowley declared himself an atheist on any number of occasions, his memoirs show the secret chiefs to be the higher power to which he attributed his accomplishments and his difficulties. In Magic Without Tears, a chapter that recounts anecdotes regarding the influence of the secret chiefs mentions that they might, with equal validity, be called the masters or the gods. Now,